Well, hello there. So, part of this trip, I'm staying at Copper Creek with a good friend of mine from DVC Duo, Nathan. So, because he's a DVC member, and give you a little bit of room tour right now and show you what it looks like in here. So, I'm gonna do that now. Alright, so I got the entryway here when you walk right in, and then to the left, you have your kitchenette area. It's a pretty big fridge, like much bigger than most of the, at least I know what the values. Microwave, icebox, toaster, got cups and things, coffee maker, and they'll give you Joffrey's stuff to brew. This is actually kind of neat, or this one, sorry. Got to pull out little storage area, and then trash can, I think. Yeah, you guys, it gives some silverware here and there, but then we turn around and we go into the bathroom. Hello, and it's a good counter space, really. I mean, got a blow dryer, some storage down there. I like the fixtures. I think that's a good look. I like that bronzed look. And then we go into the shower. This is a step-in shower. Let's see the toilet, little decoration here, but sliding glass door, tiled. Got the bronze finishes and things like that. So it's definitely a good look, I think. And then we go in here, got a little storage area here, obviously bed and tables. Got a lot of USB ports. Got some artwork here on the wall, just all the stuff here. And a Wilderness Lodge. TV, kind of multicolored dresser here. So got plenty of storage. Nice in here. The couch folds out into a bed, and then this can roll, and usually can roll right here, back here. Then you got a side little table here of, you know, you want to sit and look or work or whatever it is, and then you got a cool little mirror here. And then on here, we're on the first floor, so this is a view of kind of the walkway. You can see Wilderness Lodge over there, and then has a couple of little end table or little chairs, side table here. And just sit out here and relax. But it's super humid here, as you can see from the camera fogging up. So we won't do that. We'll come back inside. So that's basically the room here. So this is a studio. And it's been nice. So we're getting ready to go over to Boardwalk. But I just wanted to give you guys a little tour of this and show you what it's like. But awesome resort, obviously. Wilderness Lodge is great. So in a good room. So hopefully that gives you an idea of what you can expect if you're looking to stay here. Like I said, this is Copper Creek Studio. Yeah, so got any questions? Hit me up in the comments. And as Jamie always likes to say, we will see you in the parks.